Hello, hello. It's Saturday. I made some bread in the bread maker. I had it in for an hour and a half on the dough setting. I like to do that because then I'm going to take it out. Notice I have a little flour on my hands. You can like spray some cooking spray or dip in olive oil to get it out because it's really sticky. That's a yeast dough for you, right? This is just my basic. I have lots of different bread recipes for in the bread maker. If you have one you'd like to share with us, please let us know. And after it comes out, see this little thing, the paddle that goes around? Don't leave it in when you wash that. Take it and wash it separately because it gets gunk underneath of it. I put a little bit more flour on my hand, just enough that it doesn't stick, and then I can manipulate it, put it in whatever bread pan. Sometimes I'll braid it. But I decided to use this fancy bread pan I got from Temu. I usually, for this amount, use two of the sections, but I'm putting this all in one just to see what happens. I think it's too much dough. And I'm going to cut this right down the middle with a scissor because I like to pour a little olive oil and then put seasoning and stuff in there. That way the olive oil doesn't go all over the place. But let's let it raise up a little bit more with a little towel. See, I made this bread in a regular bread pan the other day. What's left of it. Put some seasoning on top. So yes, I took a nap on this Saturday, and I shouldn't have napped as long as I did because this bread raised actually too much. So it won't be quite as moist if you let it over raise, but it'll be delicious. It smells great. I'm sure it'll be great for our dinner.